My God, guys, as you can see, something hot is going to happen here in the. Pookie, हमारा Pookie.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Welcome back to Journey Encoded, and we are moving towards Schlachtensee. As of Monday, today there is a strike in Berlin. I guess it's almost in the entire Germany. So most of us don't have any universities or any other work to do. So we plan to have a fun evening. And our navigations expert is guiding us through the destination. So Leute, in our today's vlog we have got lots of members. So starting from Aditya, newcomer, he's friend of mine from Pune, and you're studying which course?
I'm studying data science at UE.
Data science at UE. So the university which is right beside my university. And then we have Dipanshu in the back. Dipanshu, you guys have met him in the Christmas market vlog. And as always, our main host, Mr. Ritesh. And we have Sai here. So today's plan is going to be simple, yet a lot of fun. So we have decided to go to Schlachtensee and Wannsee, as these are the most nearest destination that we can go. And it's actually -6 or 7?
7.
-7 degrees Celsius, and feels like around 14 or 15 degrees Celsius. So it's quite cold, and it's great opportunity to have a skating session. So guys, till the time we are reaching S-Bahn station, I thought that I might discuss few things. As I've mentioned in my daily vlogs, the Winter Arc series, that it's almost getting over. In February I'm going to close the Winter Arc series. So there are a lot of options for new series or the content options. So a lot of my friends have suggested me different options. Few of them are niche, few of them are just general YouTube stuff. But for now I'm going to focus on the main vlogging part, as I am able to feel that the exploration part of my channel has stopped at certain point, and I haven't uploaded any YouTube vlogs. So I would be focusing on them. I would be visiting different cities and different places. This might be a little bit irregular, as visiting a city is quite time consuming and expensive as well. But I will try to cover up most of the Brandenburg region and the Saxon region, because it's like 3 hours or 4 hours of regional train travel. It's really cold actually. I'm able to feel it under my shoes. Even I'm wearing the snowshoes, and I do have a nice pair of socks. Even after that my toes are numb, and we have just started walking. That's German winter.
I'm laying where the stars shine so bright. Dreams of younger days keep drifting by. Oh, how I wish to turn the hands of
Of course. क्या ये भी तो है. We all are from India. What does it mean by outsider?
क्या बोला तूने?
It's not true. They are not outsider. We all are Indians.
मस्त जोक मारा रे. या हंस रे हलकट हंस.
So after a lot of struggling with the language problem, and after concluding that Hindi is going to be Mexiko-Platz. I forgot we are in Deutschland. So we have concluded that we are going to speak in Hindi. Yeah. But for vlog's sake, we are going to speak in English.
A few moments later.
तो बेटा
जवानी.
वहाँ पे पुशअप्स मारने हैं.
हाँ पक्का.
Let's see. So, Mr. Dipanshu has accepted the. Okay, Mr. Dipanshu. The Mr. Dipanshu has accepted that we are going to have a push-up competition. Say schon. Noch einmal bitte. Deutsche Bahn, please note of this. This Ausländer is not behaving himself in a public place. You should behave. Dipanshu.
I'm just checking the quality of Deutsche Bahn. It's good. It's good build.
You should have checked your Delhi metro's quality first.
It's best. Bestest.
For what?
For doing anything. Having
Leute, we have decided that instead of going to Wannsee, we are going to just enjoy the Schlachtensie part, as it will take additional half an hour to sucker around from the Wannsee. It's better that we enjoy our skating so-called session here, as it gets dark around 5 o'clock. I mean, the sunset is around 4:45 or something like that, but around 5 o'clock it's going to be a complete dark here. And yes, Schlachtensie is completely frozen, so hopefully we can skate there. Let's see. There is black ice everywhere, and it's really hard to even walk without having proper shoes. It's really hard to walk on German streets. Even after, in winters, the authorities, put some sand, salt, and few other things to, control the slipperiness or the ice on the walking area of roads, the pedestrian path. But still, eventually it freezes completely, and if there is even slightest line of water, it's going to be black ice. So currently I'm walking on it, and it is really slippery here. I mean, even after having best shoes like 100 euros and 150 euros, you're still going to slip on it. It's just black ice things. You guys have got the first glimpse of Schlachtensie.
क्या गुंडा बनेगा रे तू?
So, you guys have seen Schlachtensie before in my vlogs. I guess 3 or 4 times. So, you guys know how Schlachtensie is. But when it's completely frozen, it's really fun. And of course, if you're having friends with you, it's going to be really fantastic. Mr. Ritesh is volunteering to take a walk. He's going to be our scouting party, and yes, he says it's approved, so we are going to follow him now. So Leute, how has been your experience so far in Germany, German winters?
Sehr kalt.
Sehr kalt.
And where's that summer boy?
Summer boy has just volunteered himself
Summer
to...
boy is going for the winters.
Ritesh! So do you guys have any specific incidents or any specific, experience in winters? Like any one of you ever failed walking on ice or something like that?
Mira? I never tried it.
These guys don't even leave their rooms.
Ice skating birthday.
Okay, so today we are going to try a lot of things, and then they're going to have a lot of experience. Yes, Mr. Ritesh.
Yes, it's very dangerous.
Okay, so our scouting party has reported that it's very dangerous, and yet we are going to skate on it, right?
Yes.
Okay, so he's determined that we are going to skate on Schlachtensie. The view is quite nice. I mean, each and every time on Sundays or other days when I visit Schlachtensie, it's really beautiful.
The meadow calls my name, leading me through whispers laced with flame. Faces from my past now circle around,
And we are here. People have actually destroyed the surface of this ice. I mean, there is a lot of skating marks, lot of blade marks. People are ice skating, playing ice hockey, and there are few children. They are playing the sledge. I don't know what they call it, and it's fun. It's really cool. This is their card. The main reason of Germany being so cold is not the actual temperature, it's the cold winds, as winds blows around 20 to 30 kilometers per hour and it's -7, so it's really cold and your hands start hurting, your nose start hurting, your ears start hurting. All of us has suddenly become so cold because it's really cold.
फिसलेंगे सब गिर जाएंगे.
Dipanshu, come on, start skating. Skating, not sharing.
Kann es sein, dass du dumm bist oder sowas?
It's really cold. I don't know why. It's freezing there. It's like Ritesh is finally able to slide a little bit. Ritesh, knock einmal bitte. There are some patch which are untouched by people. If you guys are able to see, so these are the skating marks, and I guess last week in the last week a lot of people were here skating, and that's the reason why the surface has become so rough. It's not shiny enough to skate on it without skates, as our shoes are normal shoes, winter shoes, so they don't have any spikes or something like that. They are meant to have grip, not to be skated on. So we are not able to skate, as in my previous vlog I was able to skate very properly. It's really cold and my cheeks are starting to hurt. So I am really cold. My hands are starting to freeze, my cheeks are starting to freeze, and that is why I am handing over this vlog to Mr. Dipanshu. Please continue.
Acha. So guys, I have also taken over the channel and everyone is feeling cold and everyone has been frozen. So I am here to accompany you.
ठीक है.
You can see this monkey. My god guys, as you can see, something hot is going to happen here in the ice. So you can see that exciting candidates. So as you can see the dedication of these two boys. They are fucking crazy.
साला फिसल रहा है, तेरे इधर नहीं फिसल रहा?
हार गया साले, बोल ना.
अरे
तेरा तो गेम बजाना पड़ेगा.
सुपरमैन मार के देख. मुंह पे गिरोगे.
अरे ऐसा हाथ रखोगे डायरेक्ट पंच मार के अंदर जाएगा सब कुछ.
A few moments later.
ज्यादा डर लग रहा है.
So as you can see guys, journey at Coded has been failed. Has been freezing. His shembud is coming out. What can you feel now after doing 50-20 push-ups?
Freezing? 50 तो नहीं गया, 30 क्या होगा?
Whatever. How are you feeling now?
Good. Warmed up.
Warmed up. Nice. Hello journey and Coded. How are you feeling now?
They're cold.
Other than this?
Other than that, superb. Feeling proud that once I was swimming in this very exact lake, and now I am doing push-up on the icy surface.
Feeling.
Sehr cold.
Other than this?
Very nice view.
Very nice view?
Yeah.
Other than this?
This is also my first time on the ice.
Oh,
so
nice.
You guys must have seen the typical Indian news channels. This is how cameraman just flashes in front of mob and says, "How are you feeling about this bloody problem? How are you going to solve this problem? It's not his." It's good weather. Everyone is feeling nice.
Yes. On your marks, get set, po. Po. What is this? I can't expect this from you.
क्या गुंडा बनेगा रे तू?
बस हवा निकल गई.
Then, yes, let's see who is the winner. Who can stay till the last? One member has been out. Aditya, out of the game. Next person, Sai has been out. Next, I hope Journey Encoded wins and he is the winner.
The winner takes it all. The loser has to fall.
Ritesh ke saath Slugdenji.
Now our cameraman will do the push-ups.
No, nothing. I'm all good.
बहन डर गई.
I can't do anything. I'm just a good cameraman. Nothing else.
I guess we need to start a bonfire very quick.
If we start a bonfire, we will be down.
If you guys have ever seen the Man vs. Wild episode, we are actually facing this situation right now. We are in controlled environment, yet nothing is controlling our body.
So as you can see, his bum is going to crush. Now we can see that his ass has been frozen. Frozen ass.
Ice vada pav.
How are you feeling? Oh, you can see the star. How are you feeling after rubbing your ass on the ice?
It was super hard.
A few moments later.
So guys, after push-ups and skating competitions, we are heading back towards S1 as it's really cold. And believe me when I say it's cold, because everyone who did push-ups, excluding Ritesh, can feel the icy surface even after wearing gloves. I mean, these gloves are pretty good, and yet I am not able to feel my fingers. Same goes with my toes, and even after wearing this nice jacket, it's really cold. Yeah, I found an ice cube.
Side by side, forever we fly the sky high. The starry sky ignites the night. Hearts now is one, it feels so right. A final toast to days gone by. The days gone by. No matter where the wind may take us now, we'll find our way back home safe and sound. Guided by the stars, we'll chase the light tonight. You and I escape reality. Can't you see it's our destiny? And now we are dancing wild and free in love and harmony. For infinity we soar high, breaking through the sky. And side by side, forever we fly.
अरे घोड़ा गाड़ी. Guys, as you can see, after heavy snow exercises, everyone is feeling cold and you can see them, especially this person, excited person. And he has been injured, hope so not very strong.
So loiter after the very exciting and very energetic ice skating, slides and everything. My legs are actually really hurting. I don't know because of ice or because of the stunts that I did there. But it was really fun and each one of us tried and no one is going to regret that. So it's almost dark and it's 5 past. I don't know the exact time. It's 5 past 10, I guess. So, as a few of other members have gym and others scheduled, so they are going to continue with their evening, and we are heading towards our apartment. So I guess this is going to be the end of our vlog. I would be trying to cover any there are a few spots in Berlin which are worthy of covering in the snow, so I will be covering them in the coming week and would be definitely uploading vlog of it. So stay tuned for the next video. Till that time, auf Wiedersehen.